Shandong Xindaxin Food Industrial Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise which specializes in designing and manufacturing food processing machine. Company covering an area of 79,900 square meter. Have 150 staffs, including which 10 people are senior designer and 15 after-sales service technicians. Now we manufacture and sale of various of frying machine, frozen French fries production line, potato chips production line, forming and coating machine, quick freezing machine, and other auxiliary equipment. We have experienced technical team, focus on quality and service, constantly study international advanced technology. Strict manufacturing standards and quality inspection standards ensure that every machine is qualified. Our machines have advantages of multi-function, save energy, save edible oil, and protect environment. Is widely used in food processing factory, chain restaurant, hotel kitchen, university and company cafeteria. We have experienced technical team, focus on quality and service, constantly study international advanced technology. Till 2020 our machine have sold to Germany, UK, Italy, Russia, United States, Brazil, India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Algeria, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, etc. More than 60 countries. We are always committed to providing customers with fast and high-quality services, and have established overseas service centers in the United States and Indonesia. Create benefits for customers and help customers grow is our purpose. Xindaxin is willing to cooperate with customers all over the world for win-win results. Shandong Xindaxin looking forward to your visit.